Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the construction on the Melrose Hill bypass. Now this construction is a part of Highway 2000. This is the section of the highway that runs from Maypen to Williamsfield. And it is over 90% complete, that section. So let's go through what Highway 2000 is, and then you'll understand what's going on here. So Highway 2000 is a project to build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay. They want to connect both major cities in Jamaica and also the two international airports. So the road is to run from Kingston to Montego Bay, and it's running through the inland part of Jamaica. It doesn't run along the coast. So they decided to build a highway, but they have to build it in phases because it's too expensive to build it all at once. So the Kingston to Maypen leg of the highway is open, and then when I say open, it's up and running, people can use it. And then they're building the Maypen to Mandeville leg now. And then after they build this leg, they'll continue building until it reaches Montego Bay. But they're building it out in phases or pieces. So what you're looking at now is the section from Maypen to Mandeville. And the Melrose Hill bypass, the construction you see going on here, is a part of that leg, the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway. And this section is going to cost $188 million US to build. It's supposed to be completed by March 2023. So to the left, you see that hill? That's Melrose Hill. And basically the road used to run through, we're just giving you a little history now about the bypass. The main road used to run through the hill, but it was a very narrow road, so the government decided to build a bypass. So the bypass was built a couple of years ago to connect you from Melrose to Williamsfield. And there you can see a nice, we're gonna see a picture of the hill soon. So the road was originally built to connect Melrose to Williamsfield, and then recently they decided to build Highway 2000. So the Melrose Hill bypass is now going to be incorporated into Highway 2000. So that's the work that you see going on now. Originally, the bypass was 2 lanes, 3 lanes in some sections. But because it's going to be a part of the highway, it's now going to become 4 lanes and become a dual carriageway. So it's going to have the concrete barricade in the middle, and it's going to look like the highway that you see from Kingston to Maypen. But one thing to point out here is you don't have to pay toll to go on the Melrose Hill section of Highway 2000. Now you're going to have entrance or exit ramps to the highway that you can access from Melrose Hill. But if you're driving from Melrose heading towards Williamsfield, you can still use this section of the Melrose Hill bypass for free. You don't have to pay toll to use it. Now, if you're coming from the Melrose Hill bypass to get onto the highway, then that's where you pay toll. So let's just look at this section of the highway. It's going to run from the Maypen roundabout to the Williamsfield roundabout. And the new segment of the highway begins at the western end of the existing Maypen roundabout. It will then continue in a westerly direction across the Rio Mino Bridge, and then the route will continue in a westerly direction passing south of the Bustamante Highway, meaning it's going to run alongside the highway. Then that the highway 2000 will pass south of the Four Parts Community, Osborne Store, Tollgate, and Clarendon Park. And in Tollgate, you're going to have another toll plaza. So it's just a coincidence that the name of the area is Tollgate, and you're also going to have a toll plaza there. The highway will then head into this over the hill, and when it runs over the hill, it comes back out to the main road by where we are now, the Melrose Hill bypass, and then it's going to incorporate the Melrose Hill bypass, meaning the highway is going to become the bypass. So that means that bypass is going to be upgraded from 2 to 4 lanes, and it's going to become a 4-lane dual carriageway. And then the road crosses the train line and terminates just east of the steel bridge in the vicinity of the Williamsfield roundabout. And what we're looking at now is when the highway comes out to the hill and be incorporated into the Melrose Hill bypass. That's the construction we're looking at now. And this project is on track. It should finish sometime this year, March. They had originally said March 2023, but it will definitely finish sometime soon. So that means you can now drive from Kingston to Mandeville on the highway. And this highway is going to be a toll road, so you're going to have to pay to use it. You guys leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about these new drone videos and tell us how we can improve, and also tell us what videos you'd like to see. That's Manchester we're looking at. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.